Trend analysis is done much more accurately when utilizing candlestick signals and patterns. It identifies when pullbacks are done indecisively, as we've seen over the past couple weeks with dojis in the Dow. But we also can recognize when a pattern is setting up based upon a J-hook pattern. And as long as we know what the reoccurring investor sentiment creates as far as patterns, it allows the candlestick investor to know exactly which way a price move will be moving and what will deter that price move. The Dow was producing a J-hook pattern as well as the NASDAQ, and it's at an important technical level. It's right here at a breakout level. So if things continue to move positive, the next likely target is the current trend, allowing us to anticipate that if there's positive trading on the pre-market futures tomorrow, we can be buying stocks or stocks with good chart patterns immediately on the open without having to wait for any further confirmation. Our recommendation today on AMN was based upon a classic pattern. Classic, which is a fry pan bottom, which creates a very strong price move. Then an indecisive pullback, and then the price move continues. We know the magnitude of this move. It's usually the same magnitude as this move right here. So we know, based upon a pattern, what our upside potential will be. If this is approximately a 7-point move, this takes us up into about the $48 range. So the benefit of knowing what each signal and pattern represents allows the candlestick investor to not only be in the right position at the right time or the right direction at the right time, it also can calculate what the magnitude of that move will be, which is very beneficial if you're buying the stock knowing whether it's a worthwhile trade or not, number one, or if you're an option trader, knowing what your best spread setup will be. Identifying the patterns allows for when a breakout is likely to occur. As we can see in this chart on MX, notice the fry pan bottom. Notice it closed yesterday right in the T-line crunch 50-day moving average. Positive open today. What did that tell us? The T-line was acting as support. The 50-day moving average was not acting as resistance. And it was confirming a pattern that was easily identifiable, the fry pan bottom. And as we can also see in TPH, that a fry pan bottom produces situations where the probabilities of being in the right trade at the right time not only allows you to be in the right trade at the right time, but allows you to be in situations where the returns on that trade is going to be much more excessive than just merely being in an uptrending stock during a market uptrend. Candlestick analysis allows you to pinpoint when prices are starting to move so that you're not sitting in a situation for weeks or months hoping that everybody else will start identifying that that's a good place to be. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.